10 Tiny Habits to Keep Your Home. Tidy, Low Energy Edition. If you are over 60, often tired, with back pain, joint pain, and find that cleaning your home feels more and more overwhelming, then this video is just for you. Today, we'll explore 10 tiny but highly effective habits. From the 2-minute rule that keeps your sink from piling up, to keeping just 3 surfaces clear, or even tidying while sitting to avoid back strain. You'll see that just a few minutes a day can keep your home tidy without exhausting yourself. Many people think that a neat home requires hours of heavy work. I disagree. With these low-energy habits, you'll save effort while keeping the confidence to welcome guests. And at the end of this video, I'll share the most important secret, the habit many older adults call a lifesaver for starting the day with lightness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this content helpful. Your support is the motivation for us to continue sharing meaningful tips. Thank you for being here. Now, let's get to the first habit. Habit 1. The 2-minute do-it-now rule. This is a simple but crucial habit for older adults who often feel tired or suffer from back pain. Small tasks left undone quickly pile up into a mountain, forcing you to spend hours cleaning when your body can't handle it. The principle is this: if something takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. No delay. For example, after drinking a glass of water, wash it and put it away. When taking off your coat, hang it up. When opening mail, toss the envelope straight into the trash. Doing it immediately prevents clutter from building up. Harold, 68 from Florida, who has knee arthritis, says this habit alone saved him from bending down to pick up piles of stuff at the end of the day. The US Centers for Disease Control also advises that adults over 65 should break tasks into short steps to reduce strain, protect joints, and keep the home orderly. You can start today. Pick one small task, do it in under 2 minutes, and see the difference instantly. Habit 2. Keep 3 surfaces clear. This is the secret to making your home look clean, even if you haven't done much. The 3 key surfaces are the dining table, the kitchen counter, and the bathroom sink. Keeping just these areas clear makes the whole house feel tidy. For those over 60 with back pain, this is especially important. You don't need to clean everything, just focus on 3 main visual points, saving energy while creating a big impact. Linda, 74 from Ohio, used to feel anxious when her family dropped by unexpectedly because of clutter. Since adopting the 3 clear surfaces rule, she feels more confident, and her family praises how bright her home looks. Research from the US National Institute on Aging shows that limiting cleaning areas helps seniors stay independent and reduces exhaustion. Try it tonight. Just clear the dining table and wipe the kitchen counter, and you'll see your home brighten instantly with little effort. Habit 3. The 10-minute energy rule. This habit keeps cleaning from ever feeling overwhelming. Instead of trying to clean the whole house in a day, set a timer for 10 minutes and focus on one small spot. When the timer goes off, stop, rest, and continue the next day. For older adults with joint issues, this method is especially effective because it prevents overload while still making steady progress. Peter, 66 from Texas, who has type 2 diabetes, used to avoid cleaning because it made him short of breath. After using the 10-minute rule, he noticed his kitchen got tidier within a week without exhausting himself. Studies from the CDC also show that seniors benefit more from short activity bursts rather than continuous effort. It's healthier for both the heart and joints. Try setting a timer tonight. Spend 10 minutes folding clothes or tidying a coffee table, then stop. Gradually, your home will feel lighter and more manageable. Habit 4. The sit-down sort. Many people over 60 avoid cleaning because they think it means long hours of standing and bending, which causes back pain and fatigue. This habit changes the approach. Sit down, keep a basket or box nearby, and sort items in place. You can sit on the sofa, pick up stacks of mail or small items, and sort them into keep, discard, or donate. The benefit is that you stay in control of clutter without straining your body. Alice, 70 from New York, once left piles of mail and papers on her kitchen counter for months because she didn't have the energy to sort them. When her daughter suggested sorting while watching TV, she was surprised to see that just 15 minutes each evening cut the pile in half. Experts from the National Institute on Aging also recommend breaking down organizing tasks and doing them while seated to reduce stress on the back and knees. Try picking one small stack or box today. Sit down and sort. It only takes a few days to see your surfaces clear up without draining your energy. Habit 5. The rolling basket. This habit saves energy when moving items from room to room. For many over 60, walking back and forth carrying things is tiring and increases the risk of falls. A rolling basket solves this problem. Just put misplaced clothes, books, or kitchen items inside, then wheel it around the house to return everything in one trip. James, 75 from California, recovering from hip surgery, says the basket cut his trips between rooms by more than half. Instead of 20 trips, now he gathers everything in the basket and makes just one. Reports from ARP also note that repetitive trips are one of the most exhausting parts of cleaning for seniors. By gathering items and returning them in one round, you save both energy and time while making your home tidier faster. Try placing a light rolling basket in your living room, and every afternoon just wheel it around once. You'll notice the difference immediately. Habit 6. The vertical vision. Many older adults are used to stacking clothes, papers, and items in piles. But whenever you need something at the bottom, you have to bend and dig, which is tiring and strains the back. Vertical storage solves this problem. Everything is placed upright, like books on a shelf, so you can see and grab what you need without disrupting the whole pile. Carol, 67, from Michigan, shared that she used to spend half a day searching for her favorite shirt in her closet, often sitting and standing repeatedly, which hurt her knees. After her daughter taught her to fold clothes vertically in drawers, she was amazed to find not only was it easier to find things, but the drawers also held more. According to the US National Institute on Aging, small improvements in organizing methods can reduce bending by up to 30% daily, an important factor in preventing back pain and falls. You can start with one drawer, fold clothes into rectangles, stand them upright side by side, and you'll notice how much easier finding things becomes. Habit 7. The golden minutes. This habit helps you keep your home tidy without extra effort. The idea is simple. While waiting for the kettle to boil, the microwave to finish, or medicine to dissolve, instead of sitting idle, use those moments to wipe a few spots or put away small items. For people over 60, this is especially useful. You don't need to dedicate whole blocks of time to cleaning. Just make use of the small windows already built into your day. Frank, 69 from Arizona, shared that he often felt too tired to clean after dinner. But by using the minutes waiting for the kettle to boil, he wiped the sink or reset the dining table. So the next morning, he didn't wake up to a mess. According to the National Institute on Aging, breaking tasks into 5-10-minute intervals throughout the day helps older adults sustain energy and avoid exhaustion. You can try it tonight. While the microwave runs for 2 minutes, wipe the counter or gather small trash. These little tasks may seem small, but over time, they keep your home consistently tidy without wearing you out. Habit 8. The Safe Path Routine. This simple habit can save you from serious accidents. For people over 60, falls are the leading cause of injury, and most happen at home. When pathways are blocked by boxes, bags, stools, or cords, your risk of tripping doubles. Keeping walkways clear means less bending, no detours, and safer movement even when carrying things. Maria, 73, from California, once fell in her hallway because of an empty cardboard box left behind. After that, she made it a rule to check the hall before bed and clear any obstacles. Since then, she feels more secure, no longer worried about moving around at night. According to the CDC, more than 1 in 4 Americans over 65 fall each year, and many require hospitalization because of small household hazards. Clear walkways not only keep you safe, but also make your home feel brighter and more open. Try it tonight. Walk from your front door to your bedroom and clear anything in your path. You'll sleep better knowing your path is safe. Habit 9. The Nightly Light Reset. This is a habit many older adults call the secret to starting the day with ease. The idea is simple. Spend 10 to 15 minutes before bed lightly resetting main areas like the kitchen, living room, and bathroom. You don't need to deep clean, just wash the last dishes, wipe the counter, put away the remote, or fold a throw blanket. For those over 60 with back pain, this spreads tasks throughout the day, so you don't wake up overwhelmed by clutter, and it avoids bending when your joints are stiff in the morning. David, 71, from Oregon, says he sleeps much better since keeping a nightly 15-minute reset, because in the morning he enters a clean kitchen and feels refreshed. AARP also reports that light evening tidying helps older adults improve sleep quality and reduce next-day stress. Try it tonight. Put on soft music, set a 15-minute timer, and do a quick reset. When you turn off the lights, you'll feel like your home is resting with you. Habit 10. The One Small Drawer Rule. This is extremely helpful for anyone who feels overwhelmed by the thought of cleaning the entire home. Instead of tackling too much, just choose one drawer or one small cabinet each day. This habit helps adults over 60 save energy, avoid back and knee strain, and still see real progress over time. Susan, 65, from Illinois, had dozens of cluttered drawers in her kitchen and bedroom for years. After adopting this rule, in just 3 weeks, she had completed 21 drawers and felt her home was more organized than ever. The key is you don't need to overexert, just 10-15 minutes daily, but the accumulated results make you proud. According to the National Institute on Aging, breaking big goals into small parts helps older adults sustain habits longer and reduces the feeling of failure. Try it tonight. Pick the smallest kitchen drawer, clear the trash, reorganize the utensils, and enjoy the little victory. These small wins gradually transform your home into a lighter, easier space. Not perfection, just ease. After going through these 10 tiny habits, you can see that keeping your home tidy doesn't have to be draining or burdensome. For many over 60, with back pain, knee pain, or simply low energy, the goal isn't a perfect home. It's a safe, livable space that brings relief. Each habit, from the 2-minute rule to the nightly reset, creates a real impact when done consistently. People like Linda, James, and Susan have proven that steady small steps can transform both your home and your mindset. Research from AARP and the National Institute on Aging confirms that breaking tasks into manageable actions helps older adults maintain independence and greatly reduces health risks. So remember, you don't need to clean everything in one day. You just need to start with one drawer, one surface, or one simple habit. Your home doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to reflect who you are now. Calm, enough, and at peace. Thank you for staying until the end. If you found this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support motivates us to keep sharing more meaningful tips. And now, choose one small habit to start today. You'll be surprised at the change it brings.